I wanted to make a very quick video about this gorgeous thing that I saw online and I couldn't resist it. It is linked to my making this tanto, and it's a miniature Japanese compass plane mounted in ebony. As you can see, it's got a curved sole so that you can plane the shape of the scabbard, for example. I mean, that's not what it's made for, but if you look at the shape of the blade, it's got a curve, and therefore the scabbard is going to need a curve as well. And I was going to make myself one. In fact, this is a prototype of a Japanese plane that I'm making. It is, I was going to turn this into a compass plane, but then I realized actually it was a bit too big for my use. So I'm going to use this as a plane for the rest of the scabbard, but I still needed something that could cut a sort of concave shape. It's called a Mujing Fang ebony mini compass lathe. I think it cost me £30 sterling. I will put a link to it where I bought it, which was from Workshop Heaven here in the UK, and I just think it's the most gorgeous thing. Now, it has literally come out of the bag, so I'm just going to have a little play with it and see if, as is, I haven't touched the blade yet, I haven't dressed the blade or anything, so let's see what it does. So here's a simple piece of beech, and imagine that I wanted to give this a little bit of a concaveness to it. Again, I say I haven't touched this blade, it's just come out of the bag. I probably need to adjust it a little bit. It's cutting extremely fine shavings, but you know what? Patience is a virtue. What a delightful little tool. Obviously, because of its size, I mean, it's very much for a model maker, or, you know, somebody who's making very delicate, fine things. But bear in mind, I haven't even sharpened this blade. It's come straight out of the box. And I think you may be able to already see what it's doing. I'm really pleased with this. What a lovely little thing. And it's not completely unattractive either.